Twan, the Upgrade You freestyle. I guess I'm gonna have to go in. You just saw the video from up there. Now you're down here. And yeah. Twan, get him. Check. Look, these niggas think I got an S on my chest. Not cause I'm a gangster, because I'm built for success. Yeah, your boy sitting here stacking his chips, but I still look good, so these haters got fits. I'm like, hi hater, you ain't talking money, we can talk later. I keep my bread on click clock like flavor. I rip you niggas lyrics up like a razor. You niggas really ain't seeing me. I'm too cold, y'all niggas can't defreeze me. I ain't new to the rap game, I been a vet. I make it rain, y'all niggas ain't drizzled yet. I come through, man, fly as I wanna be. Skinny jeans, SBs, y'all can't fade me. Happy the way my mother and pa made me. Always stay hustling so you dudes can't play me. I'm on my money more than the color green. Got a couple little honeys wanna jump on my team. I'm on my sky hook, you could call me Kareem. On a championship run, trying to get a couple rings. If she let me get between, she could get some nice things. Got a fresh pair of kicks with the matching earrings. Got the busy in the front with her girlfriend in the back. Have to kick them both out, cause they ain't know how to act. Big cutter in this place, Young Money, where you at? If you got any problems, know your boy stay strapped. I'm shitting on you niggas like you gave me X-Lax. No need to worry about that cake, I keep them stacks. You can catch me on the block when it's record time. I go from chick to chick, I go from dime to dime. I will rip you up, nigga, rhyme for rhyme. I guess my sugar and my cake, I call it tea time. Now that's my verb play, now here's my word play. My swag is picture perfect, so it's Blu-ray. Now it's a new day, time for new raps. I'm shooting 7s and 11s, old school craps. I'm out of my head, one left hook, nighty-night, now you to bed, yeah. That's all, y'all. Yeah, as you can see, I am raw, but and I'm gonna upgrade you.